Following up on those messy water main breaks on Oahu's windward side, this is just in. The Board of Water Supply says it fixed the big 30-inch break in Punaluu and is now testing it. After that, they need to disinfect it before they put it back into service and then fill the hole and then fix the road. Only one town-bound lane will be open at the site. A contraflow is still in effect, but they did finish repairs on several related breaks on smaller mains in the area. There's still only one town-bound lane open at the Punaluu break site. Drivers should avoid the area if possible.